A warm welcome to all my little chefs. Dear children, cooking is an art. No one is born a great cook, one learns by doing. Once I was reading an article that stated that if there was one sweet that could be defined as the staple sweet of India, it would have to be the laddu. It can be found in every home in India with a different variation. It's so versatile. And believe me, laddus made at home are a healthier option than most of the other desserts. So, in this series of cooking without fire, today we are going to learn the easiest, quickest and yummiest recipe for coconut laddus. The all-time favorite? Let's have a quick look at the ingredients and the nutrition facts. For making these laddus, you need desiccated coconut powder, 1 ball. Coconut powder is rich in manganese and copper, is a good source of healthy fat and fiber, and a good remedy for cholesterol. Our next ingredient is powdered sugar. I am using Desiccated. It is a better option than sugar as it is richer in calcium, iron, magnesium, and other minerals and vitamins. Our third ingredient is fresh cream or malai, 1/4 ball. I prefer using malai as it is devoid of preservatives or any other chemicals. Next ingredient is 2 to 3 drops of liquid food color of your choice. This is quite optional. You can totally avoid using it as it's not healthy. I use it occasionally just to impart a festive look to my dishes. Now all you have to do is mix all the dry ingredients one by one in a bowl properly. Mix well. Add 2 to 3 drops of color and mix again. Now start making small equal sized balls out of the mixture. Once done, roll all the balls in coconut powder and arrange in a dish. Garnish using split almonds and cashew nuts. Refrigerate for a few minutes. Your coconut laddus are ready to be served. Do try this recipe and surprise your parents with your culinary skills. Just remember a few things. First, since we are using fresh cream or malai and not adding any preservative, make only a small quantity of laddus that can be consumed within a day or two. Otherwise, the malai tends to change the taste. Second, always keep the leftover laddus in a refrigerator. Once you have made these healthy coconut laddus at home, there is no longer a need to restrain yourself from these scrumptious delights.